New Conway. They're on LTAC 1.
We're in the gas station. Trying to get boxes here.
We got out.
Felony stop. We got two in the car, both cooperative, hands up.
Coming here in the car, both cooperative with the hands up. Attorney Squad, so Ramsey Lieutenant was yelling on their main to watch your grass there.
And I first take him out. Driver in custody and passenger also detained.
That's our driver in custody, passengers detained at 318.
1315, we're code 4 on the stop, both in custody. You can release the airdrop up
Tempo remains on regular traffic, clear LTAC 1 at 318.
there. Covered. 619.
619.
Hold on.
You can show me today the parties are in custody.
Good work, you guys. Good work. Thank you. All right, well, you just saw the end of a little chase there starting up Highway 61. And thought we'd just give you a little bit. It was a couple pit maneuvers there by Alex. And so
That was a suspect wanted for felony domestic assault that they were pursuing.
it all turned out fine.
212.
Secure building. Can we do a call there, please?
So we're going to sign off again.
Yes, we are.
Sorry.
I must say that was fine extrication of the suspect from his driver's seat.
Well, once that door opened, I thought, oh, there was nobody on that side.
Right.
And if he bailed run foot, who knows how fast he is, you know? So let's take him while we can.
All right, folks. We're not going to give him a gift card either. All right. Continue to be kind. We will we will come back live if something else happens. Have a good night, folks.
We were just kind of